exciting day today. We have a new arrival on site. We have got the Phonak Pediatric Care Kit. So I'm going to take 2 minutes out of my day and show you what goes inside it. So here's the new Phonak Pediatric Care Bag. On the back there's a nice little carry strap. There's a name badge. On the front there is a front pouch to allow you to put your bits and pieces inside. But the main interesting part is what's in the main contents. We've got a little quick reference guide, a pack of stickers, there's a puffer, good for cleaning out debris or removing moisture from tubes. There's a drying cup. The drying cup has a little disc inside, and also in here is a couple of drying tablets. So you take out one of these tablets when it's out of its packet, it goes in the bottom. So we've got the drying cup. There are 2 tablets that last a while. Also in here we've got a pouch and a few other bits and pieces. There's a pediatric care clip, a battery tester. Now the battery tester is quite nice because not only is it a battery tester, but in the back there's a little compartment so that you can put spare hearing aid batteries in there. And there is a little monitoring tube. This means that you can, if you're a carer, you can connect this up. You put that end in your ear, that end over the ear mold, and a little damping in there. So that this will allow you to listen to the kid's hearing aid just to make sure it's working as usual. And those are the bits. Nice little compartments, a couple of drawers, packets. So what do you get? You get a hearing aid listening tube, a puffer, a child's kid clip which can be clipped to the back of the... You want to have a look at it, don't you? The kid's clip has, what do you believe, a clip. So the idea is that this will go on the collar, and these rings will go around the hearing aid. Well, should I take one of mine off and try it? So it goes around the hearing aid like that, or without the twist. There you are. So it goes around the hearing aid like that, so that if they come off they don't roll on the floor. So you've got tube, puffer, kid's clip, battery tester, a drying cap and a couple of tablets that will last a couple of months, a set of stickers to doll up your hearing aid, and a little brief quick reference book. That's the Phonak Pediatric Care Kit.